So guys, this outfit was a combination of these 3 patterns. I hope you enjoyed it. There is going to be a giveaway, a little appreciation of all my supporters who's been rolling with me so far. Stay tuned. Okay, I only have 2 prizes, just a small token to show my appreciation. The first one is going to be the mood bag along with some mood labels. And the second prize will be the starter kit. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, which I will announce the winner on this coming up Saturday at Sewing Skill Building Saturdays, please comment below and let me know. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all. Sweet inspirations. Until the next video. Bye.